How to go to a specific date in TradingView. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can go to a specific date in TradingView. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and come to the official website of tradingview.com, and you just have to simply log into your account from here. Sign in as Ricky. I'll just sign in with my Google from here, as you can see. And after logging in, you have to you can see here from here that there is a option called called 1 day, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years. So you just have to expand the folder from here by clicking launch full chart view, and after clicking on here, as you can see, it's showing me uh, the 5 days now, and the intervals are here on the 5 days. And if I click on the 1 month section and per day interval, it shows me here. And if I want to see a specific date, you just have to click on the button here beside the all button. As you can see, you have to click on here and you can set a custom date from here. As you can see, we can set 12th June, let's say, and click on go to, and as you can see, it's showing me the 12th June chart, and the intervals are for the 12th June. As you can see, 12th June chart is here, and we just click on 1 day and 12th June, go to, and that's how the specific date works within the trading chart. As you can see, the intervals are in minutes here, like 1915 and 1930 seconds or minutes. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.